Welcome back to our series on minimalism. The benefits of minimalism have been astonishing, and it's been an inspiring journey towards embracing the idea of knowing enough for happiness. In Kondo's book, it says decluttering could not only revolutionize your physical living environment, but also profoundly impact your entire life. How could simply tidying up alleviate the burden of years of accumulated clutter and emotional baggage? Do these belongings genuinely bring me happiness? Here are 10 outstanding benefits of a minimalist lifestyle. 1. The initial benefit of minimalism revolves around the reduction in cleaning time, a topic I've consistently highlighted in my videos. Tasks that once consumed hours of our day now require a mere 10 to 15 minutes as we effortlessly navigate through the house, returning items to their designated spots. The overwhelming feeling of toy clutter is a thing of the past, and even our children find it simpler to assist with cleaning and organizing. Considering that the average working mother dedicates over 21 hours per week to housework, embracing minimalism liberates a significant amount of time for personal endeavors. 2. Studies reveal that the average American spends 55 minutes each day searching for belongings they own, but cannot locate, leading to an astonishing annual expense of $2.7 billion on replacing lost items. A technique utilized by minimalists to address this problem is to allocate a designated place for every item in their household. When each item has its assigned spot, it instinctively returns to that location, as if drawn by a magnetic force. The advantage of this method is twofold. Not only do you always know where items belong, but it also facilitates the participation of your family members, including your husband and children, in cleaning and organizing tasks. 3. One of the major advantages of minimalism is its positive impact on health and body weight. Numerous minimalist women have shared their stories, highlighting weight loss as a significant result of embracing minimalism. Beyond shedding pounds, minimalism also enhances overall well-being. Research indicates that cluttered environments disrupt sleep patterns, contributing to insomnia. Furthermore, clutter is associated with weight gain. A study conducted in 2008 revealed a 77% increased likelihood of overweight or obesity among individuals living in cluttered spaces. In another study, female graduate students consumed 103 more calories in a cluttered kitchen compared to a tidy one. Additionally, minimalism offers benefits for children as well. 4. Simplifying toy inventory has emerged as one of the most advantageous choices for households. Despite possessing a plethora of toys, kids consistently favored a select few, leaving the remainder largely neglected. Observing them empty box after box, only to disregard the contents, became a regular occurrence. The repetitive cycle of tidying up scattered toys grew wearisome. It wasn't unusual to stumble upon forgotten snacks concealed amidst the toy clutter, a clear indication of excess. A thought-provoking study revealed that children immersed in a smaller selection of toys participated in lengthier, more imaginative play sessions, showcasing enhanced concentration compared to those overwhelmed by choices. This finding highlights the excessive abundance of toys in American homes, where children, constituting only 3.7% of the global child population, own a staggering 47% of the world's toys and children's books. Moreover, studies indicate a concerning link between materialism and diminished self-esteem starting from a young age. Furthermore, their linguistic proficiency has blossomed, as evidenced by a child can speak both languages fluently if exposed to that language, for example, English, German, or maybe more. 5. Yet another benefit of minimalism lies in its ability to foster a happier marriage. Since we simplified home, marital contentment can notably surge. A newfound tranquility and ease now define our living environment, starkly different from before. Ironically, despite the abundance of items, they didn't bring joy. Instead, they were constant stressors. Studies have found evidence suggesting that women are more susceptible to increased stress in cluttered surroundings. For instance, a study conducted in 2010, which examined married couples with school-aged children, found that wives who perceived their homes as messy or requiring organization experienced higher levels of cortisol throughout the day. In contrast, the majority of husbands in the study exhibited a decrease in cortisol levels, suggesting a diminished stress response to clutter. The difference in stress reactions among members of the same household is noteworthy. While clutter might not perturb most men, it notably impacts women's welfare. Elevated cortisol levels have been associated with various health concerns, such as anxiety, depression, weight gain, insomnia, and impaired memory. 6. Prior to delving into our minimalist lifestyle, let's already practice frugal living. Thus, we enthusiastically embraced the added financial advantages that minimalism provided. After decluttering our entire household and parting ways with all possessions unnecessary, we had accumulated a sum of more money. Embracing minimalism not only prompted us to reduce our overall spending by buying fewer items, but also encouraged us to be more financially resourceful. As an example, when faced with the need to resize a piece of our kitchen furniture to fit a specific space, let's demonstrate ingenuity by repurposing there. This not only resulted in savings by eliminating the need to buy 2 additional furniture pieces, but also prevented perfectly functional items from being discarded into landfills or storage units. Moreover, minimalism eliminated the necessity for additional storage space to accommodate our excess belongings. Annually, Americans spend a staggering $37.5 billion on storage units, with an average monthly cost of $90. The most frequently rented unit, measuring 10 feet by 10 feet, can store furniture equivalent to 4 rooms. Consider the potential savings if individuals didn't need extra storage for their surplus items. The current moment presents an ideal opportunity to sell unwanted items, particularly considering the growing trend of sustainable shopping and resale. Projections indicate that the second-hand resale market is expected to exceed $64 billion within the next 5 years, outpacing the traditional thrift and donation sector by 2024. 7. Yet another substantial advantage of minimalism lies in its ability to reduce environmental waste, rendering it a sustainable lifestyle choice when practiced mindfully. By curbing excessive shopping and overconsumption, minimalism can significantly diminish the volume of waste produced. Moreover, selecting ethical or sustainable brands and prioritizing higher quality products when making purchases can extend the lifespan of items, contributing to a reduction in waste over time. The act of decluttering itself can play a role in promoting environmental sustainability. Whenever feasible, I encourage selling items online or directly giving them away through platforms like Buy Nothing groups. Regrettably, conventional donation centers like Goodwill and the Salvation Army frequently face challenges with an overflow of donations, leading to many items eventually being disposed of in landfills. Nevertheless, it's crucial to recognize that certain items may be unsuitable for reuse and ultimately bound for disposal. Whether they remain tucked away in a closet or find their way to a landfill, the result remains unchanged. The most impactful strategy is to adjust our behaviors to mitigate environmental harm going forward. Textile waste alone accounts for a staggering 11.3 million tons annually in the U.S. By incorporating minimalist ideals and embracing sustainable habits, we can strive to lower these concerning figures and cultivate a more environmentally aware society. 8. The 8th advantage of minimalism is the enhancement of life satisfaction, a concept that can be somewhat elusive to pin down, but is undeniably recognizable when felt. Life satisfaction involves maintaining a positive perspective on one's life and future possibilities. However, many of us have become accustomed to evaluating our lives solely through the lens of material possessions, a measure that doesn't always align with genuine fulfillment. Scientific studies consistently show that material possessions do not bring enduring happiness and contentment. On the contrary, acquiring more possessions frequently leads to reduced levels of happiness and satisfaction. For example, one study highlighted a significant decrease in life satisfaction among older adults due to procrastination and clutter-related issues. Minimalism presents a means to reverse this pattern by urging individuals to prioritize experiences and relationships over material possessions. Through simplifying life and decluttering excessive belongings, individuals frequently discover a fresh sense of contentment and fulfillment, irrespective of material wealth. 9. The ninth advantage of minimalism is enhanced focus and productivity. Fumio Sasaki, in his book Goodbye, Things, introduces the concept of a silent to-do list, which suggests that every item in our environment silently assigns tasks to us. Whether it's the laundry awaiting folding, the dishes requiring washing, or the stack of unopened mail on the desk, these items impose a mental burden, particularly when accumulated. Mothers frequently experience the pressure to excel in various roles simultaneously, aiming to meet societal standards of the supermom ideal. However, cognitive psychologists have demonstrated that our brains are not designed for extensive multitasking. Trying to manage multiple complex tasks at once can diminish productivity and elevate stress levels. Adopting minimalism redirects our attention from the pursuit of achieving more to purposefully having less on our plates. By minimizing clutter and simplifying our lives, we lessen the constant mental clutter and distractions, enabling clearer focus and heightened productivity. As Francine Joy aptly puts it, my aim shifted from accomplishing more tasks to having fewer to tackle. With fewer demands clamoring for attention, mental stress is notably diminished, paving the way for a more balanced and satisfying lifestyle. 10. Now let's explore the 10th advantage of minimalism: enhanced enjoyment of time. Since embracing minimalism, our lives have become lively, colorful, and filled with excitement. The only distinction is that we have fewer possessions encumbering our lives, granting us greater freedom to relish many moments together. In conclusion, minimalism offers remarkable benefits, and you don't necessarily need to undergo a drastic decluttering to experience its advantages. Begin with small changes, assess how they impact you, and then gradually delve deeper if you desire. What particular benefits of minimalism do you value haven't covered? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards simplification. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into living minimally and mindfully.